In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a WhatsApp customized and personalized link for free. Now, WhatsApp is the social media app that has the highest open rate. An average person opens his WhatsApp 5 to 6 times every single day. Now, WhatsApp is the best place to communicate to your leads, customers, and prospects. These are the more reasons you need a personalized WhatsApp link with a customized message that will bring your leads, customers, and prospects into your DM whenever they want to message you. And I will be sharing this with you in less than 5 minutes. So guys, creating a WhatsApp link, there are two ways to do that. You can either come to Google, then you just come here and type in WhatsApp link. Just type in WhatsApp link generator. Once you come here, you can just choose from any of these very platform. There's create what link, there's create what link, there's postcon, there's Wati, there's respond.io, and many others. But if you want to use the easy way, which is the fast route, which is the easy way, just come to word.link, like this very one right here, word.link, then just click on it and it's going to take you to this very page. I'm going to be leaving this link in the description below. Word.link is the most popular WhatsApp link generator worldwide. So just scroll down, come down, then you're going to come here, then you're going to create your wallet, create your free link here. Now the first thing you're going to do is to select your country code. If you're from any country, just come here, select your country code. That's the first thing you're going to do right now. So if you're from New Zealand, Ghana, Cameroon, Niger, just select the country you are from. So from me, I'm from Nigeria. So the next thing, you are going to put in your number, removing the first 0. Okay, just come here because they already have +234. Just come here and start from 80 downward or 70 downward. Okay, I'm going to put in my number right here. Then the next thing to do right now is to input your custom message. Okay, so once you are done putting your number, the next thing right now is to put your custom message. All right, as you can see, they already give you a preview as hello, I want more information about your product. So you can just come here and you can create a customized message you want your customer, your client, or your prospect to send you once they are coming to your WhatsApp DM. Okay, you can just go ahead and say hello. Let's just, for example, hello Norma, I am interested in your training, or I am interested in the yellow Prada shoe. Let's say you say shoes online. Okay, then you just go ahead and my name is, you can just put in that way. You can choose to put this you can choose to put in my name is, or you choose to remove it. Now the custom message must be a customized message you want them to send to you. You can just choose your custom message, just a message that you want them to send to you once they are messaging you. And you can also set your autoresponder to respond to them once they send that specific message. So once you have input your custom message right here, the next thing to do is to click on create your WhatsApp link. Now if you want to preview, you can click on preview so that you can know what you just done. Just click on preview and it's going to preview you. As you can see, this is the message and it's already previewed. Now once anybody click on that link, they are going to be coming to your DM with this very custom message you are seeing right now. With this custom message you are seeing right now, they're going to be coming to your DM with this custom message you are seeing right now. So once we are done, we are already sure that this is already preview. Just come ahead and click on generate word link and it's going to generate that link for you. As you can see, your link is already generated right here. This is your link. So what we are going to do right now is to scroll down and click on copy link. Okay, copy this link and you can start using it. But there's one final step we want to take. We want to turn this link into a more personalized and professional link. How can you do that? Let's come over to our Google Play Store again. We're going to come here and type in turning URL. Okay, I'm going to be leaving this link in the second part of this video. So once we come to turning URL, we are going to customize this very link into a more suitable and a more recognized link. All right. So once we come here, we are going to customize our link. And there are several platforms you can customize link. Okay, Tiny URL is one of the easiest. There's BTI, there's rebrand.li. These are the two major custom URL. All right. So if you come here right now, we're going to paste that link we just generated, which is the word.link, and this is the link we generated from word.link. We're going to paste it there, and note your link is going to contain tinyurl.com with anything you want to put in beneath. So you're going to come here, we're going to customize a name for our link. Let's say you say shoes and this link is for Prado Shuzuli. You can just come here and you can just go ahead and click on Prado shoes like this, then you just click on shorten URL and it's going to shorten this URL for you. As you can see right now, this is the link right now. Okay, just go ahead and click on copy link, copy this link, then you copy it, then it's going to be copied. As you can see right here, the link is already copied. Okay, Now if you come to a different browser, we are going to paste that link on this browser. As you can see, this is the link right now. Okay, it's going to load up, and this is it. Okay, so guys, this is how you can create a well customized and a personalized URL for your WhatsApp business. Now if you want to learn how you can auto save all your WhatsApp contact with just one click without having to save them one by one, and you want to learn the new features and the new updates of WhatsApp and how you can up-level your WhatsApp marketing game, make sure you click this playlist showing right here to access those videos. I will see you there.